Compass Publishing. The Skills for Listening series. A 12-level series for primary and secondary school students aimed at building, strengthening, and expanding their English listening skills. The series is arranged into 4 parts: discovering, building, expanding, and activating, each with 3 books. The Skills for Listening series covers a wide range of CEFR levels. Discovering skills for listening starts at the pre-A1 level and is suitable for young beginning students who have been learning English for about a year. The highest level, activating skills for listening, extends up to the CEFR B1 level and is suitable for upper intermediate students of English. Each book in the series comes with a CD-ROM containing the audio tracks and a detachable workbook at the back with additional activities and dictation practice. The 12 units in each book focus on situations and topics that are familiar to students from their daily lives. The 6-page unit opens with a warm-up featuring a large, colorful illustration to introduce the situation, topic, and key expressions. Simple activities in the word practice section familiarize students with listening to the key words and expressions. On the next pages, students are guided through a variety of comprehension activities to listen first for gist and then for details as they deepen their understanding of the listening passages. Each dialogue or monologue contains carefully leveled language, and they are recorded at speaking speeds that gradually increase over the levels. In the discovering level, a content language integrated learning activity gets students to apply what they've learned to the wider world and their other school subjects. In the quiz section, students can test their listening with activities that mimic popular English language assessments. Speaking activities are included for every unit to give students more practice with the words, expressions, and structures they've learned in the unit. In the detachable workbook, there are 4 more pages of practice activities, focusing both on the vocabulary and structures students have learned, and additional listening practice in the form of dictation activities. Students and teachers can simply scan the QR code at the start of each unit to conveniently stream the audio on their mobile device. The Skills for Listening series comes with a full range of supplementary material, including worksheets and tests that you can download for free from our website to make teaching your classes easier. As with all Compass products, the Skills for Listening series comes with our innovative digital learning solutions. ClassBox is a browser-based teaching platform with a library of digital ELT textbooks you can use to teach your classes online or in the classroom. It also has an easy-to-use learning management system for managing classes, assigning homework, and tracking students' progress. For students, Compass has made learning fun with BigBox, our English learning app. Students can use the app to watch videos, play games, and do their homework. The Skills for Listening series. For more information about this product, including sample units to try out, scan the QR code or visit our website at compasspub.com.